And the markets consolidate after gaining for 10 straight days. The Nifty ends above the 6,700 mark after witnessing profit booking in the last hour of trade. The Sensex too lost over 40 odd points. Most sectoral indices were also weak in today's session. And let's take it across to Aisha Faridi for a detailed wrap. Aisha, over to you.
Well, it snapped the 10-day winning streak today, saw some profit taking and then it got pretty acute. In fact, at one point in time we were pretty close and testing the 6,700 waters and then saw a bounce towards the last part of today's trading session. Finally clawed well above the 6,700 mark. Nonetheless, it has been a red close and a soft one at that. BHEL, DLF, BOB, these were the top losers on the index. However, let's start with the gainers first. It was Pharma which really held out very smartly today. So you had the likes of Wockhardt, Ranbaxy, Aurobindo Pharma, which has been giving you very good price and volume breakouts. Lupin as well as Cipla, which were the other ones which managed to close in the green. Hindalco and MDC, Jindal Steel out of the metals basket shown very well. And the other gainers included the likes of Asian Paints, Unilever as well as Ambuja Cements. Banks, they were the real eyesore today. So IndusInd Bank, Karnataka Bank, Axis, BOB, these were the ones which took a knock. And the Bank Nifty futures as well closed in lower by about over 1% or so. Futures and options activity that was heightened when it came to India Cements, Colgate as well as UPL, and the losers were largely the ones which didn't quite bag a bank license. So L&T Finance, Reliance Capital, Shriram Transport Finance, add to that an IFCI, OVC as well as PFC too. Then of course the mid-cap universe, which was the laggard in today's trading session, the CNX mid-cap index that is. So the losers included the likes of Polaris, Kati, Ashok Leyland, Indiabulls Real Estate, Chambal Fertilizers as well as Balrampur Chini. It's a pause today. Let's see where tomorrow takes us. We'll catch you on Trading Calls.